I want to tell you something today that I have really learned to appreciate. Good health is not the absence of disease, but it is the physical, mental, and spiritual well-being of a person. All three of these go together to affect our overall quality of health. So today, we're going to talk about steps that we can take to enhance our sense of mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Health and happiness go hand in hand. If you're looking for a more joyful life and a more healthy life, try some of these tips. Get in touch with your spiritual side. Many people find great joy and peace of mind in connecting with the eternal truth and beauty of the world. This leads to optimism and the generation of positive energy, which are very helpful in motivating us to live our healthiest possible lives. Take time to meditate. Spending just a few minutes a day in quiet meditation can help you rid yourself of occasional anxious or unsettled feelings. You don't need any special equipment. Just sit comfortably and focus on your breathing for just a few minutes. The calming effects of even a very short period of mindfulness can carry over to the rest of your day and may even ease psychological stresses like anxiety, pain, and depression. Savor the moment. Let your senses delight you. Smell a fragrant flower. Watch the sunrise. Take time to enjoy the tastes and textures in each bite of a delicious meal. Hug somebody. Savoring the moment helps you to relax, and it helps you to be grateful for all of the beauty around us, which should also remind us that our bodies are a wonderful miracle that we have the obligation to take great care of. Say thanks. Expressing gratitude can give your mood a lift. You might try keeping a journal of things you're grateful for, or write a note to someone who's been a positive influence in your life. It sure will make you feel better. Laugh and play like a kid. You'd be surprised how many people forget to just laugh out loud regularly. You know best what tickles your funny bone. Maybe it's watching funny movies, working in a coloring book, or just taking the time to play like you did when you were a child. Just be silly sometimes. Don't you know that often laughter is the best medicine? So loosen up.